Today I'm going to show you how to make sabzi. For this dish you will need a lot of grains. Did you know that leafy greens are basically the superheroes of the food world? This isn't just a meal prep, this is a cardio workout for your fingers. Did you know that leafy greens are high in nutrients and low in calories? Great workout, people, your fingers are gonna be so grateful. Alright, spice detectives, can you guess the spice? Add your greens, more greens, more greens, and more greens. You can really start to smell the richness of the herbs and the unique fragrance from the spices. While our sabzi is simmering, let's prepare a simple yogurt and lemon dressing that will add a refreshing touch to our dish. This dressing is light, tangy, and perfectly complements the rich flavors of the stew. Enjoy!